Silver traded with moderate bullishness last week. We have seen it is struggling to break either the critical resistances on the upside at 31 or the support at 30. It has struggled to stay above 31 and failed to break below 30. Can we expect a breakout here in silver in the coming week, or we can say now the highs are done and the chances of a reversal increases here? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review and I do share my twice a day updates with precise levels and targets every day. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. Do watch. Now, when you look at the weekly charts here on silver, see after showing the reversal sign and this greater dip, it is trading with the drop. We have seen a retracement, then a drop, then a retracement. Now, if you notice, it is falling shy of breaking this zone, and always I have mentioned the two key levels. First at 31 and then at 31.50. These are the two levels which if silver breaks in the coming few weeks, you can expect that the next move is going to take it possibly towards 34 levels. Yes, it can deliver strong bullish moves once it breaks beyond 31, 31.5 levels. Right now what is happening, notice this, just draw this drop retracement, and a reversal here means a trade below 30 and then towards 29.50. If these two levels are taken, we can look forward to the bottom of the channel, which is well below 28. Now that is just on the channel here. When you look at the moving averages, see, I can see a bit of resistance from the median of the Bollinger Bands, and thus it is very important for silver to trade above 31 and 31.50 levels. If these two levels are taken, you can look forward to a greater rise. Also, what has happened in the recent times, we have seen a double bottom level. We have seen a good support from the 50 period moving average at 29. So now in the coming few weeks, if you see silver trading below 30 and then 29, you can say we are looking forward to a greater price correction. However, just connect the lows and the highs here. You can find out silver is trading in this channel, which is a nice bullish flag formation. Yes, this is a nice bullish flag formation, and hitting the bottom, it is trying to bounce back. So right now, as long as in the near future, as long as silver stays above 29, 28, 80, we should not be treating this as bearish here. Stochastic, after hitting the double bottom, it is now looking upwards, and there is a possibility that it can move towards overbought zone, which suggests that the coming few weeks it can still continue to trade bullish. But look at what has happened on MACD: rise, retracement, rise, retracement. So yes, it appears that it has hit the lows here. Let's see if it starts to converge crossover. And for this to happen, first critical resistance it needs to break in the coming week is 31, then 31.2025, and then 31.50. If these three levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to 32.20, 32.50, and then $33 levels as the next targets. But right now, what we have observed on the daily chart, silver is struggling definitely at 31 levels. RSI has dropped, it is trying to recover. Let's have a look at the monthly. Now, on the monthly charts, one very important observation which is shared towards the beginning of the month here is the flat closing, or you can see what has happened for the last few months. For the last few months, we have seen silver struggling to close below 28.80. None of the candles, despite a stronger dip or drop, we have not seen silver prices closing below 28.80. This is a very critical observation because once it trades below 28.80 is where we are looking forward to 27 or in fact 26 levels. Notice what is happening here is after the rise, consolidation and retracement, after a rise, it is now consolidating or retracing. But even if you connect the highs and the lows here, you can find out it is trading or consolidating in a moderate bullish channel here. Now, for the coming week, it is very important for silver to trade beyond 31.50 levels, and then you can expect 32.20, 32.50 at the next targets, and beyond this sky is the limit. See what is happening, couple of bullish candle, couple of retracement, and now if it starts to deliver couple of bullish candles, it can possibly take the prices beyond 36 here in the near future. Let's watch out more closely. Stochastic right now looking downwards, which is not a good sign for the bull, and thus it is very important where silver is going to close in the month of January. If it closes towards 2940 or below levels, the possibility of a dip in the coming month increases, while any move towards 3150 or 32 is a good sign for the next month as well, where the price is going to head towards 34 or in fact higher levels. If you look at the MACD here, see it has converged but not yet crossed over, and if you see the MACD, it has still got lot much of room towards the top here. So this is something you should keep an eye on. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the day. On the daily charts, one important observation is the moving averages which have started to converge. The second key thing is it was trading in this bearish channel and it has come out of this channel on the daily charts. But the most important one is this, that it is showing higher lows, it is showing higher highs, but right now it is failing to deliver a breakout here beyond 31. So now when you see silver giving a breakout beyond 31, expect 31.20, 25, 31.50, and then in fact 32.20, 32.50 will be there very, very, very soon. Also wait for a crossover here. Now what is happening on the daily charts? Notice this, struggling to stay beyond 31. After this rise, then retracement, then rise, then retracement. Also notice it is delivering higher lows. So now on the downside, it is very important for silver to trade below 30, then 29.80.75, and then towards 29.50.40. Three key levels here on the downside. If these three key levels are taken, you can say now it is a price correction and it is going to deliver a massive blow here on the down, where the first targets are to be towards 29.28.80, and if 29 or 28.80 is taken any point of time in this month or the next month, stay short, stay bearish for $28 levels, 27.20, and then $26 levels as well. Be mindful of this. A lot much of a struggle, prices can deliver anything. A breakout here anyways is a good indication for the bulls towards 31.50, and beyond this, sky is the limit. The stochastic right now on the daily charts is looking down, where the signs are bearish here. Look at the on the MACD, if you see double bottom is done. With the double bottom now, it is starting to rise, it is trying to converge but not yet crossed over. And see, when you see double bottom, it means it can form a W here, which means moving towards the top. Moving towards the top means it can possibly, once it stays beyond 31, 31.20, you can say that we are looking forward to a greater rise, 31.50, 32.20, or in fact 32.50 and 33 can be there very, very, very soon. The RSI is comfortable here, neither showing extra bullishness or bearishness here. Coming to the 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, see the moving averages have started to converge here, but largely I can say running parallel as of now. And the second thing here is look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now this is traded in a box here. It has to come out of this box. Now this 30 to 31 zone is where we have to focus. Any breakout either above or below is a sign of bullishness, and the daily closing basis, it has to close above these in order to confirm a direction here. Now look at what has happened, again hitting the highs. It is trying to reverse, but I can see a support coming in from the 50 period movement. So now first support zone on the downside is at 30.40, and if 30.40 is taken, expect 30.20 and 30, and then 29.75.80. If these three levels are taken, stay short for 29.50.40, and below that a greater correction should be seen here. While I can see, despite it showing a reversal sign, I can also notice that the supports are very, very strong here on the downside, and on the upside anyways 30.90, 31 is the zone where we are seeing maximum resistance. Stochastic has hit the bottom. The MACD is crossed over. The MACD trading with moderate divergence, moderate bearishness. The RSI has been turning parallel here, running parallel here. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels here. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. If you see it is staying above 30, see you can buy here at 30.70 in the coming week, but then you have to be very, very careful of 30 30.90, $31 levels. This is going to be the most critical zone here on the upside. And breaking beyond this, I will recommend you to stay bullish for 31.20, 25. And if this is taken, then 3150, the next milestone. Now, this is the level beyond which I can say silver gonna show stronger bullishness, where ideally I will be looking forward to 3225 with the intermittent resistance at around 3185. So if it stays above 3150, you can expect it to move towards 3225 levels, and then next is 3250. If this is also taken, stay bullish for 3310, 33.45, and then towards 33.8. Possibly next week itself, these levels might not get achieved, but yes, if it stays above 31.5, we may see the bullishness increasing here. These are the key levels you should watch out for. These are very, very stronger resistances on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 30.40. Be careful of 30.20. These are very good support levels, remember. All of this till 29.75 are stronger support levels. You have to be very careful as long as these levels are not taken, and once it comes out of this, you can stay short for 29.50, 40 at the next. 29.50, 40, very, very good support zone. Below this, I will look forward to 2900, and if that is taken, then chances will be high that we may see 28.50 and then 27.80 levels as the next targets. In fact, I do not see that happening, but yes, these are markets here, 27.3 and 26.5. But yes, if you look at the movement right now, it is at 3.05 levels, and we are talking about 27, the distant target. But yes, these are market, so anything is possible. However, the downside appears to be limited. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.